Hi, but I don't know why, but why you leaving hate comments on this video about me? It's just a video. You see, something went wrong with the video. I was doing something there, making the emoji thingy that with the F that's flickering. Then you put the duck walking. Yeah, I was trying to do that, and then I posted by accident, and it was just a blank thing. But now you are sending me hate comments and stuff, being mean in the comments, saying, why, am I being mean? I'm being mean, and it's the worst video ever, and all that stuff. But I'm just not gonna say anything because I know you guys are expecting better, but not always everyone is gonna give you the best. So that's all I wanted to say to you guys today, because you really broke my heart by saying that I was being mean and stuff like that. But okay, bye.